Good morning, students. Today, by online learning, we discuss Class 9 chapter Lost Child, written by Mulk Raj Anand. So, it's a story, it's a very simple story about a child who lost in a fair. Everybody know that they यहाँ भी रोइंग में भी देखा आपने कि हाँ यहाँ मेला लगता है. All the persons they come in a good attire and enjoy the fair. So it's a story about a boy who go with their parents in the fair. जो मेले में जाता है अपने parents के साथ and where there he get lost. He gets separated from his parents. And then what happened? It's in a this story. So let's read first of all about the writer. It's Mulk Raj Anand. It's born 12 December 1905 Peshawar, British India में. Died on 28 September 2004 at the age of 98 in Pune, Maharashtra. Occupation is a writer. His education is in Cambridge University, University College London, Khalsa College Amritsar. Period 20th century. Its notable work is Coolie and Untouchable. A notable award is Sahitya Academy Award, Padma Bhushan and International Peace Prize, and his spouses Kathleen, Shireen and Wajif Dar. It's about Mulkraj Anand. He's an Indian writer at the age of 20th century. He's a famous writer and his famous work is Coolie and Untouchable. Coolie and Untouchable. Now it's introduction. Now let's see introduction. The Lost Child is the story of a small child who gets lost in a fair. He had gone with his parents to the fair but loses them when he gets engrossed in looking at a roundabout swing. The story highlights the bond of love and affection that the child shares with his parents before losing them. He had been demanding different things like sweets, balloons, flowers, swings, etc. Once he gets separated, he realizes losing once he loses them, he is picked by a stranger. The stranger tries to quieten the child by offering him all these things that he had demanded from his parents. But the child doesn't want them anymore. He wants his parents first. Now it's a story about a child who with his parents go in a fair. There he get lost and gets separated from his parents. Then he realizes the affection, the affection and need of his parents. First of all, what happened when he go in a fair? He see many things there: sweet stall, balloons, and also swing. He wanted to swing. He wanted to go on a swing, and there also he wanted to eat something. तो वो वहाँ पे अपने पेरेंट्स से बहुत सारी चीज़ों की डिमांड करता है कि I want balloons, I want sweets, and I wanted to go on that swing. रोंडा बाउट उस पर मुझे जाना है, तो वो बहुत सारी डिमांड करता है, लेकिन उसके पेरेंट्स से उसे रिफ्यूज करते रहते हैं. सो आफ्टर ही गेट सेपरेटेड और व्हाट हैपन्स, ऑल सडन वो एक जगह किसी स्विंग को, राउंड अबाउट स्विंग को देखते हुए और वो क्या उनसे सेपरेट हो जाता है. एंड आफ्टर दैट ही रियलाइज दैट द नीड ऑफ पेरेंट्स इज मस्ट इन हिज लाइफ. उसे पता चलता है कि हाँ व्हाट हैपन, उसको कोई स्ट्रेंजर उठा लेता है एंड ही ऑफर द सेम थिंग व्हाट ही डिमांडेड फ्रॉम हिज पेरेंट्स. वो उसे सारी चीज़ों की कहता है कि मैं तुम्हें ये दिला दूंगा, वो दिला दूंगा, तुम चुप हो जाओ. बट नाउ ही डजंट वांट एनीथिंग, ही ओनली वांट हिज मदर एंड फादर. So this is a beautiful story about the affection and attachment that the boy has with his mother and father. उसका जो attachment है अपने mother के लिए, अपने father के लिए after losing them, उसका जो love है, उसका जो affection है, वो बताया गया है इस short story में. So let's read further. It was a season of spring. The people of the village came out of their houses in colorful attire and walked towards the fair. Now it's a season of spring. When the fair got held, वो टाइम कब क्या था? स्प्रिंग का टाइम था और सभी विलेज के जो लोग हैं वो अपने घरों से निकल रहे थे इन अ कलरफुल अटायर, मीन कलरफुल क्लोथ्स, कलरफुल ड्रेसेस, एंड वर्क टुवर्ड्स द फेयर. ऑल वर गोइंग टुवर्ड्स द फेयर मेले में सभी क्या है, अच्छे अच्छे ड्रेसेस पहन के, कलरफुल ड्रेसेस पहन के, दे वर गोइंग टूवर्ड्स द फेयर. A child along with his parents was going to the fair and was very excited and happy. And child was, the story is about the child who is very happy and he is also going in a fair with his parents. He was attracted to the stalls of toys and sweets. Though his father got angry, but his mother pacified him and diverted his attention towards other things. Now his father, when he demanding something and he get attracted from in the fair with toys, with sweets and all type of stalls, his father got angry on him. And but his mother pacified, means उनका बहुत ज़्यादा soft heart था, as mother, all mother have a soft heart for his child, for her child. So she also have softened heart and she just divert his attention by गिविंग हिम लव. उसको मतलब प्यार से, दुलार से, पुचकार के उससे क्या कर रही थी, वो उसको डाइवर्ट कर रही थी ताकि उसका ध्यान उन स्टॉल्स पे ना जाए. द चाइल्ड मूव फॉरवर्ड बट वंस अगेन लैग्ड बिहाइंड बिकॉज हिज आईज वर caught by one thing or other every now and then. Now एक बार क्या हुआ, चाइल्ड वो आगे बढ़ता जा रहा था, वो बस डिमांड करता जा रहा था, ही जस्ट गोइंग फॉरवर्ड. बट कभी वो पीछे रह जाता क्योंकि उसका ध्यान है वो किसी एक चीज पे रह जाता, उसका आई है वो किसी एक चीज पे टिक जाता. सो वो पीछे, लैगिंग बिहाइंड मतलब वो पीछे भी रह जाता. और उसको ये चीज उसे बार बार हो रहा था क्योंकि वो एक चीज देख रहा था, दूसरी चीज देख रहा था. सो ही गेट अट्रैक्टेड from all the things that is in fear. Now let's read further. As they moved forward, the child wanted the various things on the stall. His mouth watered, seeing sweets decorated with gold and silver leaves. Now what happened, as the child and his parents moved forward, his eye get attracted on sweet shop. वहाँ पे जो बर्फियाँ लगी हुई थी, गोल्ड और सिल्वर उसके ऊपर कोटेड था, डेकोरेट थी. सो बाय दैट ही गेट अट्रैक्टेड. ही वांटेड हिज फेवरेट बर्फी. उसका जो फेवरेट बर्फी था उनको, ही जस्ट डिमांडिंग टू हिज पेरेंट्स, बट हिज फादर ऑलवेज रिफ्यूजेस एंड सेइंग कि तू तो ग्रीडी है, बहुत ज़्यादा लालची है, और उसको ये कह के रिफ्यूज कर दिया. He walked ahead. Then he saw beautiful garlands of gulmohar. Now what happened? As he moved forward, he saw garland. उसने माला देखी गुलमोहर के जो फूल होते हैं उसकी. Now he demanded that thing also, but didn't ask for it. But this time he didn't ask from his parents that I wanted this, because as he said before, his father called him greedy. Then he saw balloons, but he knew very well that his parents would deny due to the fact that he was too old to play with balloons. Now he also saw balloons, but he know this thing in his mind that his parents refused him because he was too old. अभी वो इतना बच्चा नहीं है कि वो इनसे खेलेगा. So he walked away, और वो उसको देख के आगे बढ़ गया. सो उसको बहुत सारी चीज़ें अट्रैक्टेड की. स्टॉल्स, स्वीट स्टॉल हो गया, बैलून्स हो गए, गार्लैंड का जो गार्लैंड ऑफ गुलमोहर है, एंड ऑल्सो रोंडा स्विंग. बाय ऑल दिस ही गेट अट्रैक्टेड एंड ही जस्ट मूविंग अवे लुकिंग देम. देन ही सॉ स्नेक चार्मर. स्नेक चार्मर ये जो है, जो बांस, ये बीन और ये लेके घूमते रहते हैं, तो ही ऑल्सो सी स्नेक चार्मर एंड राउंड अबाउट स्विंग. उसने वो जो झूला है जो राउंड वाला जो होता है उसको देख के, स्विंग को देख के ही गेट अट्रैक्टेड. एज ही स्टॉप टू आस्क पेरेंट फॉर परमिशन टू एंजॉय द स्विंग, टू हिज अस्टोनिशमेंट देयर वाज नो रिप्लाई. Now he gets stopped. Where he gets stopped? After looking round about swing. उसने जो swing को देखा तो he get very attracted from that and he just saying that मुझे उस पर झूलना. He don't looking at the back कि उसके father है, उसके mother उसके पास है या नहीं. He just attracted and he just looking towards that swing. So he just asking, he taking a permission from his parents कि should I go to enjoy the swing? But astonished, he gets surprised, there was no reply. और उसको कोई भी reply, उसको response नहीं मिलता. Neither his father nor his mother was there. क्योंकि उसके पास में कोई भी नहीं था, ना ही उसके father ना ही उसकी mother. This shows that here he got separated while looking towards the roundabout swing. उसको देख रहा था तब वो क्या है, उसके पेरेंट्स से अलग हो गया. Now the child realized that he was lost. Now he realized that he was lost in the fair. He ran here and there but could not find them. As you all know, जब मेला लगता है वहाँ पे बहुत भीड़ होती है और बच्चे भी वहाँ पे क्या गुम होते रहते हैं. So क्योंकि इतना भीड़ होता है तो अगर कोई छोटा बच्चा अपने पेरेंट्स से अलग हो जाए, so he just started crying. So this thing also happened with this boy. He gets separated from his parent. Now he realized that he get lost and he ran here and there in search of them. अब वो इधर उधर ढूंढने लग गया उनको सर्च करने के लिए कि वो कहाँ गए. The place was overcrowded. As the fair is full of crowd, he didn't find his parents. उसे उसके parents नहीं मिले. He got terrified, but suddenly a kind-hearted man took him up in his arms and consoled the bitterly weeping child. Now what happened? He got terrified. वो बहुत ज़्यादा frightened हो गया, बहुत ज़्यादा डर गया. And suddenly what happens? A strange man, a kind-hearted man, pick him out. उसने उसको गोद में उठाया and consoled him. Consoled उसमें मतलब उसे बोला कि हाँ don't cry, हम आपके parents को ढूंढ देंगे. He just consoled him. He asked if he could like to have a joyful ride, but the child sobbed. Now the same person, the strange person, asked him if he want to enjoy the swing. But I want my father, I want my mother. But now child forgot all the enjoyment. वो सब भूल गया और कि हाँ मुझे ये चाहिए खाने को, मुझे वो बैलून्स चाहिए, मुझे गार्लैंड चाहिए, मुझे स्विंग पे जाना है. He got all forgot. वो सब कुछ भूल गया. He just only want his father and his mother. The man offered the sweets, balloons, garland, but the child kept sobbing, I want my father, I want my mother. Now the same strange person now offering him what he demanded from his parents. जो वो डिमांड कर रहा था अपने पेरेंट्स से जब उसको वो चीज़ नहीं मिल रही थी. Now after losing them, उसे वो सब मिल रहा था, but now he doesn't want all these things. He only want his father and his parent, his mother. This shows that his love and affection after separating them, after got separated from them, he realized. So this is the story about the love and affection of a small child for his parents when he get lost in a fair. वो डिमांड कर रहा था, उसको नहीं मिल रहा था. He got angry, उसे गुस्सा आ रहा होगा, but after losing them he realized that they are important for him. So by this story come to an end. I hope you understand the story. So thank you and have a cheerful day.